Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
The true.
Hey, Nico. Nico.
The Trader Joe's.
No! Y'all, he just got up here and ate all the cookies. Give them to me. No, no.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken!
Figure out why Ace wasn't answering me when I called him.
You stealing my phone? Did you?
You're not allowed to have that. You don't know us from a hole in the wall.
Bear.
Come here, bud. What are you doing? Where did you get that? Coco!
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Oh my god. Never break like the biggest compliment.
What's that? Get it, good boy.
Nala. Are you doing dishes? I hope so.